Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 taskbar not showing and not working issue. First method is press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape keys. Select Windows Explorer, click Restart Task. Second method, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape keys. Click Run New Task, type PowerShell, check Create this task with administrative privileges. Copy command from description and paste it. Type shutdown space, -r space, -f space, -t space, 00. Third method is press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape keys. Type regedit, check Create this task with administrative privileges. Click and expand H key current user, click and expand software, click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows, click and expand current version, click and expand Explorer, click Advanced. Create new DWORD 32-bit value, change named as Enable XAML Start menu. Change value data to 0. Click Run New Task, type shutdown space, -r space, -f space, -t space, 00. Fourth method is press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape keys. Type rstrui.exe, check Create this task with administrative privileges. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.